Our task is predicting a motion from the RGBD image to achieve the task. The motion consists of a sequence of robot hand poses. Since there are multiple motions to achieve the task, we use EBM as stochastic motion prediction. The consistency of image and motion is evaluated by EBM as the probability density. EBM is trained to output the high density when the correct motion is fed into the model. The main problem is how to fuse the different domain features to evaluate the consistency. We use a transformer to fuse image and motion features. However, image features include many useless features, making it difficult to train transformer properly. To remove useless features, we propose spatially aligned temporal encoding. We assume that most meaningful features are located along the motion trajectory. Based on this idea, image features corresponding to each pose are extracted. The extracted features are concatenated with pose feature and fed into the transformer. Since the pose includes the position and time information, these pose features work as a spatial and temporal encoding. By this encoding, the transformer can effectively evaluate the consistency. Now, we can precisely evaluate the motion. However, EBM only evaluates the density, and optimizer is required to get the motion that have a high density. To get such motion, this optimizer is also important. To optimize the motion, gradient-based methods are often used. However, EBM's density curve tends to be complex, and it is difficult to find the best motion without the difficult manual scaling of gradient. To solve this problem, we propose Deep Motion Optimizer. Since our optimizer is trained to find the best motion nearest the current motion from image and motion features, our data-driven approach is free from difficult manual scaling. The improvement of motion is guaranteed by checking the density with EBM. Please read our paper to know how to train the optimizer. We evaluate our method with these 9 tasks using the simulator. This is the success rate of ours and traditional methods. Our proposed method has the highest success rate for most tasks. This is the example of predicted motions. Since a proposed method precisely evaluates and optimizes the motion, the robot successfully grasps the object and achieves the tasks. Also shows the predicted motion by our method for all tasks. As shown here, the correct motions are predicted on various tasks. Our code is available. Please check the link in our paper.